Security martyrs, three suspected gangsters were last night shot and killed by police officers from the Special Crime Prevention Unit at High Point Juja. Now, a pedestrian who was shot by one of the robbers during the shootout has also died while undergoing treatment at Thika Level 5 Hospital. Now, one suspect escaped with gunshot injuries. OCPD Patrick Manyasi has said that the suspects changed their route towards Thika after realizing that they were being followed. The gang of three included two men and a woman had been pursued by the detectives from Kenol Muranga, where they had shot a motorist. A pistol and a fake gun were recovered from the suspects, and the incident caused traffic snarl up along the Juja Thika stretch as members of public crowded the crime scene.